Namaste friends, I am Ritesh and today we focus on a fire log pose, also known as a double pigeon pose or in Sanskrit Agnistambhasana. Agni means fire and Stambha means a log. Friends, it's an intermediate seated forward bend and it's a great deep hip opener. So before we get into the practice, people with knee issues or lower back injury should avoid this pose. If you have a very tight hip or groin, please use a block or a bolster. Friends, now let's get into the pose. So we start with a Dandasana. So any of the seated positions starts with a Dandasana. So I tall myself, I shift my glutes so I can really sit on my sitting bones. I keep my arches active, my chin is parallel, my rib cage is not popping out, it's in line with my pelvis. Now from here, I flex my right leg down and then my left. Now friends, if you find this pose too difficult to maintain, you can just do simply a Sukhasana or an easy pose and a forward bend. So the right leg goes in, the left leg on the top. Now once again I see that I'm not slouching. Okay, I keep my back straight and tall. I activate it. Now from here itself I can feel the burning sensation. So I make it a point that I listen to my body. I don't have to force myself to go forward. So I keep myself tall. Now friends, very important. You have to activate your arches so that your knee is safe, or you can say stable. So activate your arches, activate the left arch, the right arch, tall yourself, and now from here, just keep your spine straight. Now you'll feel that as you move forward, you'll find an intense burning sensation at the hip joint. And keep moving forward. And don't forget to smile. And just breathe. So you're breathing in and you're breathing out. Now for some people, they would find sitting in this position very difficult and the pelvis will still move backwards. So I take a block and I sit on the block. Now sitting on the block just makes your pelvis more higher. And then once again. Now friends, we can change the leg position. Now from here, I take the left leg down, okay, and the right leg on the top. Now, still standing tall, adjusting my sitting bones on the block. Keep it tall, activate your arches. And now from here, move forward. So as you're moving forward, keep the spine straight as if lengthening from the crown of your head. And then move forward. Once again, Agni, you will feel a burning sensation at the hip joint, and that was the reason it was known as Agnistambhasana. Now moving forward slowly and gently, enjoying the pose, and don't forget to breathe. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now as you breathe in, come back slowly and relax yourself. Friends, it's a great pose. It builds strength in your lower body, outer hip and groin. The intensity depends upon how your hips are, how your groin is. Friends, it calms the mind and it helps to reduce stress and depression. So friends, that was your Agnistambhasana, or also known as a double pigeon pose, Kapotasana, or a fire log pose. Friends, in case you like my video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe. If you have any suggestions or comments, please mention in the comment section below. Namaste.